Hello, amazing explorers! Welcome to science class today. Today, we are going to learn about your body and how your body is amazing. Your body is doing amazing things right now to help you think, play, and grow. Let's jump in. So, let's talk about the parts of body that we can see in the mirror, feel with our hands, and use to do fun things every day. Let's see what we have got. Right inside your head is your brain, which does all your thinking, dreaming, and learning. And on top of your head, you have soft, cozy hair to keep you warm. Now look at your beautiful face. You have eyes to see, ears to hear, and nose to smell delicious pizza. Next up, let's talk about our super movers, our limbs. Just a fancy science word for our arms and legs. Wave your hands around. Your arms, hands, and fingers let you write stories, draw pictures, and build awesome toy castles and clap along to songs. And now look down at your legs, feet, and toes. They keep you balanced, help you stand up super tall. Now let's learn how they work together to help us explore. It's time for the 5 senses. Your body is like an active detective, using 5 senses to explore the world. With your sense of sight, your eyes capture beautiful rainbows, and with your sense of hearing, your ears listen to birds singing. And with your sense of smell, your nose sniffs warm, gooey cookies. And with your sense of taste, your tongue enjoys sweet, juicy apples. So, touch. You know, your senses are working all the time. We have looked at the outside, but now we are going to use our X-ray vision. Let's peek inside to see the hidden organs inside our bodies. Your brain is helping you think and feel. Your heart is pumping the red blood to keep you strong. Your lungs help you take a deep breath. And your stomach is busy breaking down your breakfast and lunch to give you tons of energy. Hooray! Now it's time for a quick pop quiz. So which organ inside your head keep you think? Yeah, you're right. What exterior part do you use to jump and run? Nice! You can pause the video when you need time to think. So come on, stand up, jump toys, and touch your head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Let's do it together. We have learned a lot of things about our body parts today and try to remember them all. Good job, explorers! Amazing! Keep remembering all the parts, try to learn all the spellings of the body parts, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. See you soon. Bye. Take care. And yeah, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video